Hi guys, this is just a test for the reverb and echo in this room. So right now, I have the curtains around this setup. So mic test, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, mic test. So I'm going to remove the curtains and see if there's a difference with regards to the overall reverb and echo on this video recording. Alright guys, so right now I've removed the curtains. So mic test for the echo and reverb in this room without the enclosure or the do-it-yourself voice booth here. So mic test. I'm going to compare the audio samples after this and see if there's a significant difference with regards to the audio quality with the curtains on and curtains off. Mic test. 1, 2, 1, 2. Mic test. Mic test. 1, 2, 1, 2. Mic test. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hi guys, this is Marvin from shopsadaph.com, and today we're going to do Q&A episode 1. Let's get to it. So thank you for watching guys. That's all.